Join me guys, let's make some yummy Nigeria egusi soup. Yes, this is egusi soup, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my egusi soup. Okay, so the first thing you will need is your protein. I mean your beef, your cow beef, cow leg, or anything you want to use. For me, I use cow beef, cow leg, cow tripe, and I'll be using some mackerel fish too. So in this pot I have my cow leg, my cow tripe, and then the beef. So go ahead and add some water, add my seasoning cube. I've already sliced my onions, I added it inside the pot. So just add your water, your seasoning cube, your onion, and allow it to cook. So because the cow leg will take longer to cook, I will cook this meat, everything together for 25 minutes or 30 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the cow beef because that one doesn't take long to cook. So I'll remove it and then I will allow the cow leg to cook for another 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I added my mackerel fish so that the mackerel fish will cook together with the cow leg, and I discovered that the water wasn't enough, so I added another water and I cover it to cook. So I'll be introducing the next ingredient to you all. So here I have some fresh tomatoes, some banana pepper, onions, some orange bell pepper. This one is not yellow, this one is orange color bell pepper. And I had my crayfish. I also have my fresh bitter leaf washed already, and that is my egusi that I'm going to be using to prepare this soup. All right, so I'm going to blend this egusi and blend this fresh pepper and fresh tomatoes with the onions off camera. So here is my egusi. I added some of the mixed up inside and I mixed everything together. It's time for us to prepare our egusi soup. So I've already put my pot on the fire, add some palm oil, and I'll allow it to heat for some minutes, and then I'll go ahead and add my onions just as you're seeing in the video. So add your onions and fry it for like 1 minute. So stir everything together for the onions to fry well. So right now I'm going to fry my blended tomatoes together with the bell pepper and all the onions I blended together. I'm going to fry it together with my palm oil. So add yours, fry it together with your palm oil, and when you are frying it, make sure you fry it very well, okay? Because if you don't fry it very well, it will not come out, your soup will not taste well. Knowing fully well that the tomatoes and the bell pepper, you did not fry it well, so your soup will not taste so good. So how you can know your tomatoes is already fried, like is well fried, this is how you know. The oil will have some bubble on top of you will see some bubble on top of the oil, just like so. So at those points you know your tomatoes is fried. And the next thing I will do now is to add my egusi paste. Your egusi paste just like so, and allow it to fry together with the palm oil. But don't just leave it to fry. Make sure you're stirring it. Make sure you're stirring it, because if you don't stir it, it will get burnt. All right, so make sure you're stirring it very well with the palm oil. So at those points, I'm going to leave it for just like 2 seconds to fry together with the palm oil, and I will come back and stir it again. Okay, so guys, I covered it and allow it to fry for some seconds. Meanwhile, here is my crayfish and my ogiriokpe. I've already introduced this ogiriokpe to you all before. If you have been following me, if you're my OG, you know. So I'll add my ogiriokpe together, I'll blend it with my crayfish. And here is my egusi. As you can see, it's well fried. So right now I'll go ahead and then I will cover it to fry again for another 5 minutes. And here is the 5 minutes after. I'm going to add my blended crayfish at this point. After adding my blended crayfish, I'll go ahead and add some seasoning cube, and then I will stir everything together. Then I'll go ahead and add my cow leg for the cow leg to cook together with the goosey. All right, so here am I adding my the blended crayfish, and here is the seasoning cube. I'm in love with this seasoning cube. So add yours and stir everything together, and meanwhile make sure you lower your gas cooker. Okay, don't let it to be too high. just put it on a medium heat, because when your gas cooker is too high, your soup will get burned. I'm always saying it on this my page. So add your blended add your cow leg and stir everything together with your egusi. And then at this point, you're going to add your meat stock. Yes. So guys, if you're watching just to those points and you have not liked this video, please like the video. So I've add my meat stock and I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook for some like 1 minute to 2 minutes, and then I'll come back and then I'll add the things that need to be added again. I know by now some of you are wondering why I haven't add my fresh bitter leaf. I will add it later. I'm not going to add it now. Maybe like 2 minutes for 2 minutes before I bring my pot down, I will add it because I don't want to lose the freshness in that fresh bitter leaf. Okay, so that's the reason why I haven't added, because if I add it at those points, it will cook too much. So that is the reason why I haven't added. At this point, I'm going to add my microfish and then stir everything together with the meat and my egusi. Okay, so if you're watching due to this point and you haven't liked this video, or ginikwa, why now? Why haven't you liked this video? It means you're enjoying the video. For you to watch to those points, you're enjoying it, so please just give it a thumbs up. All right, like the video, drop a comment down below what you think about the video. It helps Facebook to suggest my video to other pages. Okay, so please don't just watch without liking the video. Try to drop your comment and follow the page if you have not yet followed the page. If you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn the notification bell when you subscribe, so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And don't also forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, drop your comment down below there too, what you think about the video. Thank you so much. So at this point, my soup is almost ready because I allow it to cook together with the mackerel fish. After adding the mackerel fish, I leave it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I came back, test it. Everything was on point, guys. This soup was so good. So I'm going to add my fresh bitter leaf because at this point my soup is almost ready. Okay, so as you can see, the bitter leaf is so fresh, so I don't want to lose the freshness. That is the reason why I didn't add it, since like I said before, is this soup not tantalizing? What is your thoughts? Like, what are you thinking right now? What are you thinking right now? What are you going to be eating with this soup? I'm adding my crayfish, my blended crayfish, the one that I reserved before. So this is it. I'm adding it and then I'm stirring everything together, and you have to be careful because of your mackerel fish. Don't stir your soup to that point that you break all the fish inside your soup. And be careful. Okay, just do it like so, just the way I'm doing it. So my soup is ready at this point. What do you think about this video, guys? What do you think about the soup? Do you love egusi soup? What are you going to be eating with this kind of soup if you have it in your house, or if maybe you prepare it? Are you going to be eating it with your semo, your eba, or your akpo? What are you going to be eating with this soup? The soup was so good. So guys, at this point, I will be leaving you guys. Thank you all so much for watching to this point. I will see you all in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.